Meaning of distractedly.
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 Distractedly. The word distractedly refers to doing something in a way that is lacking focus or attention, often because the person is preoccupied or has their mind elsewhere. When someone is distractedly performing a task, they might make mistakes or overlook important details. This can result in subpar work quality or incomplete outcomes. Additionally, being distracted can also lead to accidents or mishaps in various settings such as driving or operating machinery. In short, performing tasks distractedly can have detrimental consequences and should be avoided whenever possible.